Well, in the current market, webcams are very hard to find in a way of what we need. Like, does they really meet our expectations in terms of the quality, sharpness, and by the way, if you see the video quality, the webcam that I'm using to record the video has a lot of noise. And today we're gonna see about a product that has already been in market for the last 2 years, and it is Logitech StreamCam. Well, by looking at the box, I initially thought this camera will be tiny, but if you have seen, the box comes with the camera with approximately 5 feet of thick USB 3.1 generation cable, and the mount which we can connect to the desktop PC or the laptop, and it also comes with the tripod stand mount. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a tripod stand, which we have to purchase from which is compatible with it, and we can easily find out. And let's see about what are the requirements, like what are the requirements basically. Yeah, it works on Windows and even Mac, but it doesn't work on all the Windows laptops or other versions. So we need to have a Windows 10 or later. So unfortunately, if you are having Windows 7, 8 or 8.1, it doesn't work. You have to upgrade your Windows to Windows 10. And also for Mac OS, it only works if your Mac OS is 10.14 or later. And also when it comes to the system requirements, it should be minimum of 7th gen Intel iCore 5, and or maybe better if you have like i7, i9, and it comes with 3.1 generations type C, but if you have 3.0, you can just connect the adapter and it works good. Yes. Well, they have mentioned few things, like it comes with a full HD 1080p HD resolution at 60 fps for sharp, natural with video smooth, for creating professional quality, which is for like YouTube videos or live streaming. And if you see the camera can be either being used vertical or landscape. So if you have the mount, and if you mount it in this pattern, you will be using it in the landscape mode, and you can easily take off the clip and connect it on vertical, and you can get the portrait mode. Also, if you have seen very clearly, the material that they have made, this is so nice that it overall looks is like classic. Well, looking at the specifications exactly of this camera, it streams and records in full 1080p HD resolution at 60 fps for sharp, natural video with smooth motion for creating professional quality streams and videos, which I have said already. And it captures vibrant, true to life image quality with crisp details using webcam's premium glass lens and smart autofocus system. Well, it's not a normal webcam that we can buy because, well, I got it for 150 Canadian dollars, so there should be something more than a normal webcam, and that is what they have been mentioning. The lens or the glass lens that they have used is premium and with a smart autofocus system, and also the auto framing keeps you in the center of the shot even if you move left or right, while the intelligent exposure ensures you look good in varying light conditions. Well, of course, the light that I'm using is not that great. Also, I'm not using the same camera, so you may not be having the sharp and quality video of this. And this webcam also comes with the microphone, but it's good if we have a mic, but if you don't, then it's okay to have this webcam used as even for microphone to record the audio, but it's just like the audio won't be that great. And it comes with a high bandwidth USB-C connection, which ensures the stable and reliable HD quality of your gaming streams, YouTube videos, Zooming conference, Skype meetings, podcasting. So this one, as it shows like StreamCam, doesn't only mean that you will be using only for YouTube stream or Twitch, but you can also use for your daily conferences or like that you attend through Zoom, Skype, Teams, or you can use it for podcast. Well, this is how you can easily switch from the desktop PC to tripod stand, and you can start using it with a tripod. It's really handy, not that light, not that heavy, and if you're actually purchasing it, I got a 3-month free premium license for XSplit. So when we combine the StreamCam Full HD camera with included Logitech Capture software, it unlocks powerful features that automate focus, exposure, and many more features that you can explore once you can install it from their Logitech website. And you can also use the Microsoft OBS software, which most of the creators use to edit or to make few changes to their videos. And finally, it is a certified carbon neutral. The carbon impact of the product and the packaging has been reduced to 0. And also the weight of the packaging, including all the things that I have shown over here, is 200 grams. So it's not that lightweight or not that heavy, and it does its job good if you have proper lighting in your room when you're recording the videos. So you have to make sure that the lighting that you have in your room is good enough that the camera that you're using and the features that it comes with, the specifications, are used at its maximum.